So I just collected my package and I'm going home. I think I should walk a
Want me to feel like I'm new. Want me to watch you do. Don't get you look so nice, being nice. So look what you putting me through. I never do this to you. I need to hold a corner, and it's no one.
You have 10 minutes to be there. People that don't have car trekking, people like Debbie. She will trek to the mountains flying because
What's it go? You are go. All depend. They can't ride the foot. I no feet. Die for nothing. What's it go? You are go. All depend. They can't ride the foot. I no feet. Die for nothing. Make you no say anything when you do, they must commend it. I can't come and see myself. So anything when they do, they try to take me to my way. I can't come and see myself. Plenty survive. Just to make your money. But my people then go say I know one buy, I know one die, I know one women. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. Tell me, what's it go? You want go? All the money, they can't ride the boat. I go feed, die for nothing. What's it go? You want go? All the money, they can't ride the boat. I know feed. Different things that happening, schemes and packaging in a one night for shows and
Alex, Abs, take a look inside your heart. Is there any room for me? I would have to hold my breath to get down on one knee, because you only want to hold me when I'm looking good enough. Did you ever fool me? Would you ever picture us? Every time I pull my hair out, where's me out of fear? You find me ugly and one day you'll disappear, cause the point of crying, it was never even now. Did you ever want me? Was I
Yeah, so I mean, full disclosure, I think like so I'm having a meeting with Masobe because we're thinking of mechanics of an Abuja too. So maybe, who knows, the Benimi may resurface.
So I received the package from Style Korea. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. If you're a new subscriber, welcome to the Marine Gang. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to be notified whenever I drop an awesome videos. Let's just unbox and then end the vlog. Anyways, my package is here. Oh, okay. I know the package. So this is the Style Korea Try Me Review Me package. This is the Smudge Stop Mascara from Hermes. Yay! And then this is the 100. It's a hair mask. Can you guys see it? It's for my hair. And I am on dreads, so let's see how this will work out. Then we have this Rose Hydrogel Lip Patch for lifting, moisturizing lip care. It's from G9 Skin, Self Aesthetics. The Dex-Panthenol Soothing Gel Cream. It contains vitamin B5, ceramide MP, hyaluronic acid, vitamin C, and squalane. This is exactly what my skin needs right now. This is the Gentle Touch Bubble Peeling Body Pad. So I'm really happy to have this. Make sure you read the description and definitely you get your own package. Alright guys, thank you for watching my vlog. I'm so grateful. Thank you for sticking with me. Everything will just be better and better. But remember, slow growth is still growth. Alright, I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah.